Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you this GYMPROLUXE equipment that I got from this company. It comes with this box, and inside this box it contains iron bar, GYMPROLUXE strap, as well as a bag. And here on this box, as you can see, this QR code which you can scan with your phone, and it will take you to where you can download and register with the app. On this app you can learn how to use this GYMPROLUXE. For example, you can see different ways to use this your GYMPROLUXE, and also how to assemble it. So here is me. I'm just going to start to do some exercise using this GYMPROLUXE. I've only started learning how to use it, but I can use the lighter strap. The lighter strap is the white strap. The black one is the heaviest one, which is like about 30 kilogram, if I'm not mistaken, and the green one is about 25 kilogram, and the white one is the lightest one. So that is the one that I'm going to be using, because I don't want to use the heaviest one, which it will be very difficult for me to lift, because this equipment is like a weight lift. It's like when you are in the gym, lifting like a heavy dumbbell or something. So that is what it looks like. So as you are lifting, as you are pulling it, so it's very heavy. So you have to go with the one that you can pull. So this is how I use it. So I'm just going to step on the little mat, and then I'll be pulling this strap up and down. So it's very, very intense. You can feel the tightening around your tummy area as well as your back area. So I'm just going to use this strap and place the little mat around my back area, where I'm going to be pulling it. This also good for the back. It's help to strengthen your back. I love this position that I'm doing now. You're just going to be pulling it over your back. So you can also step on the handle with one of your feet, and then use one of your hand to pull the strap. As you can see on the video, I love this position because it helps me to strengthen my core and my side part of the body. So now I'm going to be using the iron bar. I'm going to show you how I use the iron bar. Now I'm just going to tighten the iron bar together, because they come separated. So I'm going to tie them together, and then I'm going to insert the strap handle. So as you can see on the video, I place it on the other side of the bar, and the other one at the left side of the bar. So I'm going to step on the little mat, and then I'm going to be pulling it like I am pulling a weight lift. So look at that. It's very intense. This GYMPROLUXE is very intense. When you are doing it, you sweat a lot. Yeah, it's very, very intense. Today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Billy. On this channel, I brings to you recipe, weight loss drinks. I review product as well as tips. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. So as you can see on this video, I'm just going to be returning the strap back to the position. If you are done with the workout, so you just have to place it back appropriately on the right position or the right section where it should be. Now I'm just going to use the white one and the green one. So now it will even become very heavy because I'm using two of the straps now. If you like to get your GYMPROLUXE, I will leave the link of this to the website of this company on my description box below, where you can purchase yours. It comes with a lifetime warranty, which makes it even convenient. When you download the apps, you can also access different help, how to assemble it, and different type of exercise that you can use this GYMPROLUXE for. So I'm going to go back again to do this backside exercise. So as you can see, I am done for today with this GYMPROLUXE exercise, and I'm just going to store my equipment away. This bag is very handy. When you are done with your exercise, you can just return all the equipment back into this bag and store it away to be used another time. So I'm just loosening up the iron bar now. I'm going to place it in the bag and store it away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up and leave your comment below. Have you tried this GYMPROLUXE? Let me know in the comment section what you feel about it, and I will really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button to get notified each time I upload a new video. You see my bag? I'm ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye. Bye bye.